Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer, tutorial 18, directly exporting your image to the Photos application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Photoshop, and the project that we have been working on. As you can see in the previous tutorials, on screen we have photo.psd. Let's just click on this. Wait for the project to load. And now in the previous tutorial, you did watch me export to the desktop, but in this tutorial, we will be directly exporting to the Photos application. And now if we navigate to the right top corner of the screen, click on share, we can share the image in its original resolution, 3840 by 2160, or we can compress it down to a smaller resolution, but not for this tutorial. Let's just keep it the way it is and click on add to photos. The image itself has now been directly exported to the Photos application. Let's now move to another desktop, go all the way onto the dock, click on the Photos application, and there we have the image itself directly exported into the Photos application. And so now we can quit the Photos application, quit Photoshop. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.